Do you want to know how to start online as a freelancer? Do you want to learn how to become successful as a freelancer even as a complete beginner? If you want to know how to start, where to start, including how to get your first 10 clients in 4 weeks or less, then this video is for you. Stay tuned and stick with me till the end because I have reserved for you a special gift. Hey everyone, I'm Peter from Digital Earning Palace, and today's video will be the number 1 in the full freelancing series. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. I usually publish videos about how to make money online, digital marketing, online businesses, and anything else related. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert notification. In that way, when I release this kind of content, you will get notified. In some of my previous videos, I shared with you how to start working online as a beginner, and I explained a number of times the 5 main strategies to become a successful online business owner. One out of these 5 strategies is freelancing, to be a freelancer online. I also said that I will start a series in each of these 5 methods, and in today's video, I will start with freelancing. The reason for this is because, left to me, it is one of the easiest methods to start working online, and it does not require so much of a budget, which means you can start from $0. So I will start with you in this video exactly how to start as a freelancer, what you should know, what you should have, and where you should start, including everything else. If you are wondering whom I may be and why you should listen to me, you can check for more details in the channel description. So in this series, starting from today until the end of this series, I will be sharing with you how to start from scratch on Fiverr, and from there move to scaling up and building up your own service website, so you become a professional freelancer online, and this way you don't have to depend on other freelancing websites to make money. This will only happen if you watch this series and after you apply all that I'm going to be sharing with you, and this will enable you get your first 10 orders and 10 customers in 4 weeks or less. I will share with you today the top 3 factors, the top 3 things that you should consider having before starting as a freelancer. The first thing you need to have is a clear vision. Before you do anything online, your vision must be clear. This will enable you have a clear path when you want to start as a freelancer. Before we proceed, if you want to watch lots more videos like this one, if you want to get up-to-date latest videos here on my channel, do not forget to please subscribe now to my channel. Turn on the alert notification so you receive an alert today. And please, to support me, simply like the video. So let's start along from scratch. For the purpose of this video, I went on to Fiverr and I created a brand new account. I will start with you from ground level 0. You see here, this is a brand new account with no gigs, no services yet to be rendered. For you who are watching this video, you may already have a Fiverr account. If you are yet to get one, it's pretty simple to set up. Just pause the video, go to fiverr.com and sign up for a free account. But if you are completely new here and you don't know what Fiverr means, Fiverr is more of a freelancing marketplace or a freelancing website comprising of what I call group of buyers and group of sellers of digital products. If you are asking what digital products mean, digital products are products that do not have any physical form or substance which you can sell online. They are better described as intangible products. Some examples of these digital products can be seen in a marketplace such as Fiverr. As you can see, a lot of digital products exchanging hands between buyers and sellers. You can also create an account, just like my newly created account for the purpose of this video, to show you from ground level 0. If you search on Fiverr, for example, pattern design, you will see a lot of sellers offering this service, pattern design. It will interest you to know that on Fiverr, there are high competition gigs or services, and there are also low competition gigs or services as well. As a beginner, you may be faced with the worries of this competition on Fiverr. Do not worry, as you will see in this video series, you will be a successful freelancer. You just need to believe in yourself, not in me. Believe in yourself and you will do it. So I assume that you now have an account on Fiverr. If you don't, then open one on Fiverr so we are all on the same page, as you will need a Fiverr account to enable you follow up with the teachings. In this series, we will together use the brand new account we have just opened and create gigs, also known as services. We will also together promote our chosen services or gigs. You need to open a Fiverr account for this so you can grow a freelancing career online. This tutorial will be one of a kind, never seen explained in this fashion, showing you in a detailed step-by-step process. So going forward, I want you to put yourself in a buyer's position. And if you come to a marketplace, Fiverr in this case, and you wish to place order for a logo design, for instance, you search on Fiverr to see the different sellers of the service or gig on logo design. How will you choose which seller to patronize? First thing that should come to your mind is this image right here, known as the thumbnail. You also would want to look at the number of reviews. By the way, a higher review signifies the level of professional skills the seller has. This leads us to the number one factor, which is to have a professional skill. When I mean a professional skill, I do not mean anything complicated. What I mean by a professional skill is to know exactly what service or gig I am rendering to the buyer or the customer. For example, if you want to render a service as a writer on a blog, make sure to give the best of such service, be it logo design, a professional beat, copywriting, or any service or gigs at all. Don't worry, I will explain more on that. Just take note that the first factor is to have a professional skill so as to deliver great service. The second factor is to have a portfolio. A portfolio is more like a small website which has a summarized detail about you as a freelancer, the services or gigs you're offering, including the clients you have done some jobs for. Don't worry so much. In later video, I will explain how to create a free portfolio. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert notification so you don't miss out on it once the video is published. Also like this video so more people can at least see it. It helps also with the YouTube algorithm. So the second factor is to have a portfolio. And the reason for this is just so that anyone who may send you a message asking you what kind of services you are rendering, you will have something to present. This may be a challenge to you if you are a complete beginner. You may not have any client or even any service to render yet. If this is your case, then go to my channel and search for free courses. These videos will pop up. Watch and see where you can actually learn high-paying online skills. Just to recap, the number one factor is to have a great professional skill to deliver professional service. The second factor is to have a portfolio, and like I said, in future videos I will publish how to create a portfolio for free, and will leave links in the description to this video. The most important factor, which is the third factor, is to grow your gigs or services outside of freelancing websites such as Fiverr. Please note, there are a lot of other freelancing websites out there, just like People Per Hour, Upwork, Freelancer.com, and much more. You have the opportunity to work in any of these freelancing websites, but the most important thing as a freelancer is to think of how to grow your gigs out of these websites. In this way, you can also have your own career as a freelancer, have to use your own customers on any niche, services or gigs you wish to render without relying on any of these freelancing websites in the long run. So the three main factors are having a portfolio, professional skills, and growing outside of the freelancing website. I decided in this series to make it all connected, starting from point A going to Z. The goal today is to learn about the three main factors you should consider before you start as a freelancer. So the first step is to sign up to Fiverr if you are yet to have an account. The reason we chose Fiverr to start with out of other freelancing websites is because it is the simplest platform to start with. It is kind of easy when compared with freelancer.com or any other freelancing website. You sign up to Fiverr, you create a portfolio. If you already have one, all the best. Then you promote your gigs outside of Fiverr. We will practically go through all these in future video lessons. If you want to know how to create gigs on Fiverr, get it optimized, how to rank these gigs, how to do keyword research for Fiverr, and many others that will practically help you start as a freelancer online, then subscribe to my channel. Turn on the alert notification and you will receive an alert today. Also join me on Instagram at Digital Earning Palace for more juicy stuff. See you later.